Hi, what's new? This is Sogam. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you the pattern of a heart design headband for beginners. So let's see together. Start the slip knot, then chain for 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop. Yarn over and pull up loop 7 times, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and the last time. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue until 2 loops remain. Now stop. Remove your hook. Insert your hook from other side. Turn. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the same stitch and pull up loop. This time do it 6 times. Yarn over and pull up loop 6 times. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Continue until 3 loops remain. You'll have 3 loops and your hook yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. A crochet heart is created. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you very much for your consideration. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. Thank you for looking. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. See you soon. Bye.